The role of iron-rich foods in skin color restoration. The complexion is a visible reflection of internal health. Iron, an essential mineral, plays a crucial role in skin pigmentation, helping maintain a vibrant and even tone. Understanding the role of iron-rich foods in skin color restoration can guide dietary choices that naturally support skin health. Do you want to learn one weird trick to cure vitiligo in 45 days? Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Why iron matters. Iron is vital for hemoglobin production, which carries oxygen to the skin. Adequate oxygenation supports cell repair and melanin production. Low iron levels may lead to paleness or uneven skin tone. Best iron-rich foods, including a mix of heme and non-heme iron sources, is key. 1. Heme iron, red meat, poultry, seafood. 2. Non-heme iron, lentils, spinach, fortified cereals, pair with vitamin C for better absorption. These foods provide the foundation for skin restoration and overall health. Natural pigmentation support. Regularly consuming iron-rich foods stimulates melanocyte activity, aiding in the gradual return of natural skin color. Liver, oysters, pumpkin seeds, and dark leafy greens are excellent choices to enhance pigmentation. Balance and absorption. Too much iron can be harmful. Combining iron sources with vitamin C, folate, and B12 ensures optimal absorption and utilization, promoting healthy skin without side effects. The role of iron-rich foods in skin color restoration is undeniable. By supporting melanin production, improving oxygen delivery, and aiding cellular repair, these foods help maintain a natural, healthy complexion. Strategic dietary inclusion of iron-rich foods offers a sustainable path to skin health and color restoration. Do you want to learn a unique, easy-to-follow simple-step plan to eliminating vitiligo and related skin disorders? Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Always consult with your doctor to get the best advice. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.